my mum used to play Ella Fitzgerald and the Andrews Sisters and all this sort of stuff for us to dance to. So when we started going into it, some of these, like Chattanooga Choo Choo is one of the songs we know, and that was my song and tap when I was a kid, you know, with a little bag. Yeah, so, but I'd never heard of the Boswell sisters, and I didn't know the Boswell sisters were Ella's biggest influence. Connie Boswell is who Ella listened to, and I love Ella, but I learned that from Gabby. So coming here and meeting these girls, I would never have done this if I'd stayed in Australia. Do you know what I mean? I love that I'm doing this. So different to what I've done before.
Soul set free, lift your voice and sing with me. Ba-da-ba-da-ba-ba, ba-da-ba-ba. Oh, with the devil, grab your hand. Here's one thing that he can't stand. Ba-da-ba-da-ba-ba, ba-da-ba-ba. Jo-ba-do-do, jo-do-ba-do-do, jo-da-ba-do-bo, ba-do-do. Walking down in a river, singing a hallelujah song. Oh Lord, up jumps the devil before you. Just keep plodding along. Tell Satan how you feel. Get that devil off your heel. Ba-da-ba-da-ba-bum, ba-da-bum-bum, bum-ba-ba-dum, 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 bum. Keep your spirit way up high. Look up to the sky. Stand up and shout. Hallelujah. If that old devil should grab your hand, here's one thing that he can't stand. Shout, sister, shout, sister, shout, oh Lord, shout, oh Lord. Oh, shout, oh, shout, oh, come on down just a little bit, joy. Oh, shout, oh, shout, oh, ba-ya-dum, 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 ba-ya-dum. Oh, ah, oh, ah, oh, ah, oh, ah, ba-ba-dum, bum.